Now, this is the river. Everybody knows river. But if we stop to think, what is the river? The river now is low, at low water level, but actually it comes up in the afternoon to this high point where you see the water still on the steps. And the vegetation you see over there is underwater, slowly disintegrating, becoming particles of dust and dirt and debris that will flow down the river. Some of the green plants which are on the embankment are actually under the water when the water is at high level. And again, over here, you can see where everything is dark is normally underwater, except today at this time of the morning when the water level for some reason is low. And so we see that what we thought was the river is not really the river. We don't understand the river. We just understand the general idea of river. But we don't look at it closely. Just as in most phenomena in life, we have a concept or a picture or an ideal, but it's only a word in memory, which helps us in orientation. And when we look at the phenomena itself, we see that it's always changing, always moving in an energy process which is always continuing and always eating away at and nourishing itself on something.